So I have the Steam Deck here, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect an external USB microphone to your Steam Deck. Now, you might have your own reasons for wanting to do that, but if you want to do that, then the first thing you need is a USB Type-C to a USB Type-A adapter. And the main reason for that is because your Steam Deck comes with a USB Type-C port, and of course you need this adapter to plug into the USB Type-C port, and then you can plug your microphone with a Type-A port here, or with a Type-A connector there. So take your microphone. Here's my microphone, and this is the cable of the microphone with the USB Type-A. Plug it in there, and that should be it. So just a bit of cable management here. Now the microphone should be connected to the Steam Deck, and to confirm that, you can even go into Steam and then go to settings, go to audio settings, and then in the microphone section, you can see the default microphone is a default microphone, the microphone on the Steam Deck. If you tap on this drop down arrow, you can actually choose the USB PNP audio device as your microphone, and that's this microphone. This also works in desktop mode, so let's quickly go into desktop mode. In desktop mode, if you go to the sound settings, you can actually see that the microphone selected is the USB microphone. And that's basically how you can connect, and also my confirmation video that you can actually connect a USB microphone to your Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.